Welcome to JollyPebbles Kids!
Yay, hello!
Let's sing, learn, play, and grow!
Woohoo! Hello, little friends. My name is Miss Debbie. Are you ready to wash your hands? Come on, everybody. Let's sing. Let's clap. Let's wash together. Woohoo! Before we eat, what do we do? Wash our hands. Yes, that's true. Soap and water, nice and clean. The cleanest little hands you've ever seen. Can you rub? Scrub, scrub. Can you scrub your fingers? Scrub, 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 scrub. Everybody wash. Don't stop. Turn on the water, nice and slow. Catch some soap. Here we go. Bubbles here, bubbles there. Floating bubbles everywhere. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Rub them high, rub them low. Make those happy bubbles grow. Wash the front, wash the back. Between your fingers, don't leave a crack. Round and round, nice and clean. Healthy hands are the best you've seen. Hey! Can you show me your hands? Hold them up. Very good. Can you rub your palms together? Great job. Now wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now everybody, scrub. After we play, what should we do? Wash our hands, me and you. After we sneeze or cough today, wash those little germs away. Can you scrub your thumbs? Scrub, scrub. Can you scrub your fingers? Scrub, scrub. Keep on washing. You can do it. Let's count while we wash. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on rubbing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. Keep those bubbles dancing. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Soap is dancing, water too. Healthy hands for me and you. Round and round, up and down. Wash away every little frown. Shiny fingers, nice and bright. Clean hands make us feel alright. Can you wash between your fingers? Yes, now your thumbs. Wonderful! Now your fingertips. Excellent. Can you make tiny bubbles? Pop, pop, pop. Now make big bubbles! Woohoo! Morning time, wash your hands. Lunchtime too, that's the plan. After outside, after play. Healthy habits every day. Splash, splash. Hear the sound. Happy bubbles all around. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Dance around. Clap your hands. Rub together nice and slow. Watch those happy bubbles grow. Healthy children, strong and bright. Learning every day is right. Wash with soap, rinse with care. Healthy hands are everywhere. You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big clap. Remember, clean hands help keep us healthy every day.